Good morning, student. Today's article is Downey and Hunt's rule. We have seen the last lecture in X-ray tube, how to eject the electron and how to produce the X-ray. We have seen the nature of X-rays. There are two types of X-rays. One is hard X-rays, that is K radiation, and second one is soft X-rays, that is L radiation. Downey and Hunt's are find out the wavelength of electrons in X-rays. The Downey and Hunt rule is expressed that the minimum wavelength of emitted X-rays is inversely proportional to the applied voltage across the electrodes in order to accelerate electrons. Therefore, lambda minimum is directly proportional to V, inversely proportional to V or directly proportional to 1 upon V, where V is the accelerating voltage in volts. Their specific relation is the total loss of the energy of the charged particle means electrons, of mass m, small m, moving with velocity v, small v, is given by. Therefore, change in energy means, first of all, electrons are in rest position or potential energy. They move to target, they acquire kinetic energy. The energy is delta E is equal to 1 half mv square. This is the initial energy minus 1 upon 1 by 2 mv prime square, where v prime is the final velocity of particle. Particle means electron. In this article, particle means electrons after declaration. Okay. If energy delta E means change in energy. Delta E is converted into electromagnetic waves. Converted into electromagnetic waves, photon, at once, because of electron lost their total energy to collide with target. Maximum energy will be lost at once, then it will be equivalent to the energy of photon is given by h nu, or delta E is equal to this equation, write in this form, delta nu is equal to h nu, because of electromagnetic wave photon to produce energy, or delta E is equal to h c upon lambda, since nu is equal to c by lambda. C means speed of light or velocity of light. The particle means electron. The particles or electrons in X-ray tube or electrons starts from zero velocity. Initially it has zero velocity. They are in rest position or static position, and acquires the energy in electron volt under the applied potential V. If electron is stopped instantaneously then the whole energy acquired by the electron under potential V is converted to X-ray photon. Okay, that is SC upon lambda minimum is equal to EV, electron volt, or lambda minimum is equal to HC by EV. What do you mean by H? H means Planck's constant, C means velocity of light, E means charge on electron, and V means voltage, applied voltage. Okay. What is the value of H? H is equal to, what do you mean by H? H means Planck's constant. This is Planck's constant. H is equal to one, value is 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. What do you mean by C? C is the velocity of light. And its value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. What do you mean by E? E is the electronic charge, and its value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Put these values in this equation and calculate the lambda minimum. Therefore, lambda minimum is equal to H means 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. What is by C? C means velocity of light. Value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. What is by E? E is the electronic charge. Value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. V, we have find to V, that's why write as it is V in angstrom. Calculate this value. Lambda minimum is equal to 12400 upon V in angstrom. This is approximately value, not exact value. Lambda minimum is equal to 12400 upon V in angstrom. This is the value of lambda minimum, and this is this equation is called Downey and Hunt's relation.